Let's delve into the process of incorporating story highlights on Instagram without directly featuring the photo or video in your Instagram story. Follow these steps meticulously to grasp the entire procedure. To commence, launch the Instagram application on your smartphone. Navigate to your profile and then tap on the three lines situated at the upper right corner of the screen. Subsequently, proceed to access the settings followed by privacy settings. Within this menu, now you'll need to click on the initial option presented, which is to hide story from your followers. This step requires patience, particularly if you boast a substantial following. Unfortunately, there's no alternative method available. Conceal the story from all your followers. Once completed, return to the main page and activate the Instagram camera. Now, it's time to upload your story. Rest assured, no one will have visibility of your Instagram story since it's concealed from all followers. After uploading, allow 24 hours for the story to expire. Following this period, access your Instagram profile again and tap on the three lines once more. Proceed to click on the archive button. If the story's archive isn't visible, adjust settings accordingly. Within the story's archive, select the desired story you wish to include in the highlight. Click on Highlight and designate its placement. After adding the story to the highlight, revisit the story settings and unveil it from everyone. This ensures that everyone can view your story in the future. And there you have it. This method allows you to incorporate a story into your highlight without featuring it directly in the story. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to drop a comment below and subscribe to the channel for future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, take care.